Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. If you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you may notice a bunch of different projects in here that have like some buttons that you click that will like change something. Like the photo booth, it'll change like the little costumes and accessories that you can put on yourself with your camera. We've got like the character builder. When you click, it'll change like the different accessories that you can put on the character, etc. I want to show you a neat idea that's kind of like that. Now the project we're going to take a look at is called Create Your Own Lemonade and is by Snowdrop the Icewing. And if we press the green flag, it starts our project. And so just like the other ones that I was mentioning, you can click to change some things about the thing that's right here in the middle. But what's neat about it is it actually gives you a preview for what your different options are. Like if you want some lemons in there, maybe some cucumbers, or maybe it's limes, I don't know. You can click for the different stuff, like if you want to turn off the music, or you could even randomize and be like, let's see what happens when I do this. No, I don't really like the sunglasses there. I can take that away. So this is a really neat idea of making it so that your buttons are actually previews for what you can display on the screen. If you got a neat idea like this that you'd like to share, make sure you comment below. And if you'd like to learn how to teach or create a project like this, make sure you visit our website, bootuppd.org, or simply go into the links in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.